Kobe. Kobe.
Huh?
What sound does a pig make?
Oink, 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 oink.
Did you poop?
Yes.
Stinky.
Hi, it's Maggie. Let's learn about some farm animals and sounds. I see a pig. Do you know what a pig sounds like? Which one is the cow? It's that one. Good job.
Kobe, what sound does a horse make?
Oh, look, I see a horse. What does a horse sound like? Okay, can you tell me which one is the number 3? The red one or the blue one? You got it. It's the red one, 3. Which one is the duck? There's the duck. Good job. 1 duck plus 1 duck equals 2 ducks. 1 chicken plus another chicken equals 2 chickens.
Kobe, what's your favorite animal?
Oh, shark.
Okay, does a shark make a noise?
Yeah.
What noise does a shark make?
Chop, 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 chop.
Okay. Okay. Good job.
1, 2, 3. Cow.
Okay, what sound does a cow make?
Moo, moo, moo.
Good job.
What's that thing big me?
Okay.
Oink, oink, oink,
A pig? Okay.
oink, 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 oink.
I love you.
Oh, oink, oink, oh.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh.
So a shark is not a farm animal, but it's one of our favorite animals. Shark. Big kiwi. Little kiwi. Big daisy. Little daisy. Big fish. Little fish.
Yeah. That little ducky walking.
I see roosters. Roosters. Which one is the color blue? The cup or the shirt? You got it. It's the cup. Which one is the color brown? Yes, the chocolate. I like chocolate. 2 dogs plus 2 dogs equals 4 dogs. I see the sky.
Kobe, what sound does a dog make?
Woof.
Okay.
Oh, look, I see a dog. Do you know what a dog sounds like? Where is the rabbit? Do you see the rabbit? There it is. It's next to the sun. Good job. What is this animal? That's a rooster. Rooster. What is this animal? It's a chicken, or called a hen. Chicken. Oh, look, I see baby chicks. They're so cute. Do you know the difference between a chicken and a rooster? A chicken has short feathers and a wide tail, and a rooster has long feathers and a long curved tail. Will you go over some farm animals with me? Good. Okay, let's do it. This is a cow, horse, goat, pig, donkey, sheep, and rooster.
Kobe, what sound does a cow make?
Moo. Moo.
This is a cow. What does a cow sound like?
There you go right there.
I see the color red. Red. Do you see something that is red? Good job. I see a red ornament, a red stop sign, a red rose, and a red apple. Good job.
Be careful, Cole.
Is your turn again?
What animal is this? You're right, it's a pig. Will you learn some shapes with me? Okay, let's do it. Triangle, triangle. Circle, circle. Square, square. Star, star. Rectangle, rectangle. Oval, oval. Pentagon, pentagon. What does a xylophone sound like? Okay, so which one is the square? The blue or yellow? It's the blue one, the blue square. Okay, which one is the pentagon? The purple or the green? You got it, it's the green one, a pentagon. Which one is the oval? The blue or the red? Yes, the blue. Awesome job. You are so smart. Keep learning and growing with us. See you later.